In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and move games on Steam to another drive. So if you're running out of space, don't worry, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Come here, the top left, click on Steam, okay? And then on this drop down, you want to click on Settings. Now, we're in the Settings menu. Scroll down. I want you to click on a storage right here. And now here you'll see your drive and all of the different items you have available on Steam. All right, so now I want you to come here and create a new Steam library folder. So right here at the top of Storage Manager, you should see your current Steam library folder. Most likely will be your C drive. You just want to click on this little plus sign next to your current Steam library folder. And on this pop-up menu, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on these games, whatever games you want to go ahead and move, right? Once you've selected them, you can go ahead and click on move. So you'll be moving your games to the different drive, right? Whatever drive you select. And there you go. The contents are moving. You just want to wait for the process to finish. And it's really that easy and simple.